the British High Commissioner, Her Excellency Harriet, to give us a few remarks. Put your hands together for the British High Commissioner.
President of the Republic of Ghana, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Asetu II, Asantehene, Honourable Kwaku Ofori-Asiamah, Minister for Transport, the Honourable Prime Minister and First Lady of Trinidad and Tobago, all dignitaries, Nana Nom, all protocols observed, please allow me to stand on existing protocols, and thank you for the invitation to join you here today. It's an absolute privilege and pleasure to be part of the commissioning of this fantastic new building, and I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Ministry of Transport and to Ghana Airports Company Limited for the remarkable achievement that we're celebrating today. The Nana Adjumang Prempeh I International Airport is designed and built to world-class standards, as we've heard, and we look forward to seeing the socio-economic benefits that it will bring to the people of this region and to the wider country. With a projected annual passenger volume of 1 million people, this airport is poised to generate substantial commercial opportunities and to foster the growth of the tourism industry for the people of Asante-Man and Ghana. The city of Kumasi has been a renowned commercial hub for centuries, and it is now directly connected to the rest of the world. I hope to see businesses and tourists taking advantage of this new route and look forward to seeing the economic dividend that will create. I would like to congratulate Contractor UK for the successful completion of this project, undertaken with support from the UK government through UK Export Finance. With over 1,200 jobs created by this project, it showcases the positive impact of the UK government's commitment to supporting Ghana's economic growth. This project is one of many examples of collaboration between the UK and Ghana. Last year, I attended the commissioning of Tamale International Airport, also supported by UK government and built by a UK company. And earlier this week, my deputy was at Blue Skies, a British agricultural company here in Ghana, for the visit of His Excellency President Akufo-Addo. Blue Skies relies on Ghana's airports to export its goods to Europe, a clear example of the trade opportunities that infrastructure projects such as this airport create. I'm delighted that trade between the UK and Ghana has remained strong over the years, with trade in goods and services now standing at £2.3 billion sterling. Overall, approximately 40,000 tonnes of freight was moved through Ghana's airports last year, and I want to see that number go up as this fantastic new airport comes into service. The UK-Ghana Trade Partnership Agreement, as well as the African Continental Free Trade Area, will be instrumental in that increase. The British High Commission, through our Business and Trade team, supports both UK and Ghanaian businesses to invest, to grow and to export. We have a global network of government and private sector partners that provide tailored solutions to industry, facilitating trade and investment between the UK and Ghana. And the UK is world-renowned for construction, building infrastructure that stands the test of time. Central to our infrastructure offer is a partnership approach. British companies working together with local companies, sharing expertise and complementing local delivery. The UK offers high-quality design, construction and equipment supply, and we look forward to many more collaborations in Ghana. 2024 continues to be a very special year for Kumasi, with the reopening of Mencha Palace Museum, the celebration of the Asante-Hene's Silver Jubilee, and now the opening of this airport, representing another milestone for the city of Kumasi. As we celebrate the commissioning of Nana Adjumang Prempeh I International Airport, I wish the people of Asante-Man and Ghana every success as we witness the new opportunities that this airport will create. I'm delighted that the UK-Ghana partnership has resulted in today's commissioning, and I look forward to my future visits to Kumasi through this impressive new facility. Mesdames, Moase.